Welcome to the Alaska, Santa Fe, and Pacific's Model Railroad. Okay, I'm going to do a little updated video on the street lights on Richeyville, the town. Here's all the original lights and building lights. And they used to go to right here. And then these used to be the old funky lights, but I replaced all these. So now you got all the new street lights. And so there's the whole street lit up from this angle. There's the police station. And the whole street lit up from this angle. Here's a whole town video with the lights on and all the street lights lit up. I'll walk you down through it real slow here, looking down the tracks in the back. Here's each of the buildings. Here's a night pan shot of the whole layout, showing all of the switch control lights lit up and all the switches.